If Inkscape is giving you an error opening a directory, don't worry. This is usually a permissions issue, a broken folder shortcut, or a problem with Windows security settings. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Inkscape opening folders normally again. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. First, let's reset Inkscape preferences. This is one of the easiest ways to clear out any saved folder paths that Inkscape may be trying to load but can no longer find. Open Inkscape, go to Edit, then Preferences, or use Ctrl, Shift, and P on your keyboard. Once the Preferences window opens, click the System tab. Here, look for the Reset Preferences button and click it. After that, close Inkscape completely and reopen it. This refreshes the app settings and can fix errors caused by old or missing directory locations. Next, check Windows controlled folder access. This security feature can block apps like Inkscape from opening or saving to certain folders. To check it, open the Start menu and type ransomware protection. Open the result, then look for controlled folder access. If it is turned on, click Allow an app through controlled folder access. Now add inkscape.exe to the allowed apps list. This step is important if Windows is silently blocking access to your folders in the background. If the problem still continues, go back into Inkscape preferences and check the templates and icons directory paths. Open Edit, then Preferences, then System again. Look for the user templates and user icons locations. If either path points to a deleted folder, an old drive, or a location that no longer exists, Inkscape may throw an error when it tries to open a directory. Click the folder icon next to each path and choose a valid local folder on your computer. A normal folder on your C drive is usually the safest option. Now let's verify folder permissions. This is especially important if the error happens when you try to open a specific folder in File Explorer. Right-click the folder, choose Properties, and open the Security tab. Make sure your user account has Read and List Folder Contents Permissions Allowed. Also check that System has proper access. If permissions are missing, Inkscape and Windows may not be able to browse the directory correctly. Fixing permissions here can often solve the issue immediately. Another good fix is to run Inkscape as Administrator. Right-click the Inkscape shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the program elevated access and can bypass restrictions that stop it from loading folders properly. If that works, it usually means the problem is related to standard user-level permissions rather than Inkscape itself. You should also avoid using cloud or network drives for testing. If the folder is inside OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, or a shared network location, Inkscape may struggle with it, especially if the files are not fully synced locally. Try moving the folder to your local C drive first, or map the network location to a proper drive letter like ZID. In many cases, using a fully local folder fixes the directory opening error right away. If you see the broken directory in the Open dialog sidebar, there is one more quick fix. Right-click the broken shortcut in Windows File Explorer and remove it from quick access. Sometimes a stale shortcut in the sidebar points to a folder that no longer exists, and that can trigger the error when Inkscape tries to access it. Cleaning that up helps Windows stop referencing dead paths. And if the error mentions a program files directory, your Inkscape installation may need repair. In that case, download the latest official installer from the Inkscape website and run a repair install. That can restore missing files or broken paths without forcing a full manual reset. So to recap, the main fixes are resetting Inkscape preferences, allowing it through controlled folder access, correcting directory paths, checking folder permissions, running as administrator, and avoiding cloud-based folders. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue. If this video helped you fix the Inkscape error opening directory, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Inkscape problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.